just got off the plane, haven't even changed, but my birthday shoes arrived while I was gone, and I promised I would unpack them with you, so let's open up the box. So every year for my birthday, I splurge on a pair of shoes, and normally I go to Louis Vuitton, and I buy myself something totally impractical to celebrate the day. But this year, I've been trying to get my hands on a pair of Valentinos, and finally, just before my birthday, I got the email that a pair in my size had arrived back on the website. They're really hard to get, but here they are. Oops. I believe they're called the Tango, but I'm not 100% sure. The most impractical shoe ever. Now let's see if they fit. They fit perfectly. And you know what? As high as they are, they're like really easy to walk in. Maybe I should try and get them in pink too.